If you spend any time watching finance videos, you are constantly told you can make an easy $100 a day while you sleep. But behind almost every one of those claims is a grueling reality of exhausting, full-time digital labor. You want to generate extra income, but you are likely paralyzed by the sheer volume of conflicting advice. One person tells you to park your money in a bank, while the next tells you to cold call strangers on the internet. To cut through the noise, you need to understand the resource exchange rule. It is impossible to generate cash out of thin air. Every single dollar you earn requires payment in one of three currencies: capital, unpaid labor, or your daily grind. When people fail at an online side hustle, it rarely happens because they didn't try hard enough. They fail because they chose a wealth model completely misaligned with the actual resources they have available to spend. Online gurus constantly blur the lines between very different types of work. We have to separate them into three distinct categories. This Venn diagram breaks down making money online. You have true passive investing, scalable digital asset creation, and active digital labor. Notice the center overlap. A method with high cash flow, zero effort, and zero upfront capital does not exist. You must pick a trade-off. Attempting to bypass these physical laws of wealth generation leads to a predictable outcome. You will either rapidly burn out from exhaustion, or you will fall for a scam. The first path belongs to the capital deployers. This involves utilizing high-yield savings accounts, dividend stocks, and real estate investment trusts to generate yield. This comparison matrix outlines the exact inputs required: initial capital, time required, time to ROI, and true passivity. For capital deployers, you need high upfront capital. You commit zero ongoing time. Return on investment is immediate, and the income is 100% passive. Let's look at the math using Starbucks, a company that pays a dividend yield of around 2.4%. To make $100 a week, or $5,200 a year, you have to invest $26,666 in their stock. This is the only path that requires zero ongoing effort. However, because of the massive cash requirement, it is completely inaccessible for anyone starting from zero. It is a system designed to protect existing wealth rather than create it. Next, we have the asset builders. This includes running YouTube channels, publishing books on Amazon KDP, and running affiliate marketing websites. Returning to our matrix, this second row shows the opposite trade-off. Asset builders require almost zero initial capital, but demand massive upfront time. You also accept severe delayed gratification, spending 6 to 24 months building assets before seeing significant revenue. This means surviving a harsh reality. You might spend 5 full days editing a single vlog, or weeks coding a digital tool, with absolutely zero guarantee that anyone will buy it or watch it. Extreme success in this arena requires competing in a saturated market. You must master audience retention and algorithm behavior to achieve the massive scale that makes this path lucrative. Asset building successfully separates your time from your income in the long run. To get there, you must be willing to endure an extended period of working entirely for free. Finally, we have the active hustlers. These are the people executing high-ticket sales, appointment setting, and AI-assisted copywriting. Row 3 shows this path requires zero capital, but you must commit 2 to 5 hours of active daily grinding. The money comes fast, returning immediately on your time. But calling this passive is a myth. Passivity sits at 0%. To secure a commission in high-ticket sales, you need intense social energy and charisma. You have to take 5 to 20 sales calls a day, and you need the psychological resilience to handle constant rejection. This is a remote job, plain and simple. The exact moment your daily hustle stops, your income drops to zero. You know the rules and you know the trade-offs. Now you must make a choice based on your specific situation. This flowchart is your decision tree. The primary filtering question: what is your primary available resource? If you have significant savings, $10,000 or more, your route is clear. Move straight to Path 1, high-yield accounts and index funds. If you are a career professional with demanding hours, Path 1 protects your free time while securing guaranteed yields on money you already make. If you are starting from zero, capital is off the table. You have to answer a secondary question. Do you need cash this week, or can you wait 6 months? If you need money immediately, you must take Path 3. Active hustles are the only mathematically viable option. You use this remote work to build your initial pool of capital. If you have time and patience, you follow the route to path 2. You become an asset builder, trading your evenings today for automated revenue in the future. Moving forward requires abandoning the fantasy of getting rich quickly without effort. Recognizing your constraints is the mandatory first step to picking a strategy you can actually maintain. The ultimate rule remains unbroken. You pay for financial freedom using either your existing capital, your upfront labor, or your daily active grind. Wealth generation is about slow, steady, and appropriate growth over time. Financial influencers aren't always lying about the revenue potential of their methods. They are just deliberately hiding the specific type of effort required to achieve that revenue. Audit your resources today. Stop chasing side hustles that require time or money you don't have, and commit entirely to the one path you are